Today, we're exploring the top 10 high-tech products that are not only impressive but also represent the future of technology and innovation. From groundbreaking solar chargers to incredible flying cars, these products are designed to amaze. Let's dive into the details and discover what makes these technologies so extraordinary. Introducing the GoSun EV Solar Charger, a revolutionary product that makes electric vehicle (EV) charging as simple as soaking up the sun. Gone are the days of searching for public charging stations or waiting in long lines. With this advanced solar charger, you can power up your electric car anywhere there's sunlight. Powerful output: the GoSun EV Solar Charger boasts a remarkable 1,200 watts of solar energy, which is sufficient to charge most electric vehicles quickly and efficiently. This means you can charge your EV during long road trips or while camping without relying on traditional charging infrastructure. Portable design: the charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and set up wherever you go. It features a foldable design that fits into a carrying case for easy storage. Durable construction: designed to withstand tough outdoor conditions, the GoSun EV Solar Charger is made with high-quality, weather-resistant materials. It can endure rain, dust, and varying temperatures, ensuring reliable performance in all environments. Eco-friendly: by utilizing solar power, this product supports your commitment to clean energy. It reduces your carbon footprint and offers a sustainable solution for EV charging. User-friendly interface: the built-in digital display shows real-time information about power generation and battery status, so you always know how much charge you have and how long it will take to reach a full charge. This product is perfect for EV owners who want to enhance their road trip experience or reduce their dependence on public charging stations. Get ready for winter adventures with the MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to explore snowy landscapes and enjoy the winter season. Evo Trail Snowshoes: these snowshoes are engineered for optimal performance on a variety of snow conditions. They feature patented Paragon bindings that offer a secure, comfortable fit, and a twin-bar traction system that provides excellent grip on both icy and snowy surfaces. Dynalock Trail Poles: the included poles are designed for stability and ease of use. They are made from lightweight aluminum and feature the Dynalock adjustment system for quick, reliable length adjustments. The ergonomic grips and adjustable wrist straps add to the comfort and usability of these poles. Versatile carry bag: the kit comes with a durable carry bag that not only stores your snowshoes and poles but also includes a removable seat for rest breaks, as well as pockets for hydration bottles and other small essentials. Built for exploration: whether you're tackling challenging backcountry trails or simply enjoying a walk in the winter woods, the Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit is designed to provide you with the support and performance you need. This kit is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts looking to make the most of the winter season. Witness an incredible automotive feat with the Acura NSX trailer. In this video, we explore an extraordinary NSX build where one Acura NSX is used to trailer the rear half of another NSX, showcasing advanced engineering and design. Unique build: this project involves transporting the rear section of an NSX, demonstrating innovative engineering techniques. The setup includes custom modifications to ensure that both NSXs are securely transported. Technical challenges: the video highlights the technical complexities of the build, including the adjustments and problem-solving required to achieve this ambitious project. Behind the scenes: get a rare, behind-the-scenes look at the intricate process of building and modifying these high-performance vehicles. The video provides insights into the creativity and expertise behind this stunning project. Automotive passion: perfect for car enthusiasts and those interested in high-level automotive engineering, this video showcases a blend of passion, technical skill, and innovation in the automotive world. This is a must-watch for anyone fascinated by high-performance cars and custom builds. Introducing the Wolf Pack, the world's first integrated first-aid dog collar by Uncharted Supply Company. This innovative product combines essential first aid supplies with a comfortable collar for your dog. Integrated first aid supplies. The Wolfpack collar includes a range of first aid items such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, and a mini first aid manual. It's designed to address common injuries and emergencies for dogs while on the go. Durable and comfortable. Made from high-quality, rugged materials, the collar is both durable and comfortable for your dog to wear. It features adjustable straps to ensure a perfect fit. Convenient design. The first aid supplies are conveniently stored in a zippered compartment on the collar, making it easy to access in an emergency. The design ensures that the supplies are secure and protected from the elements. Safety and preparedness. This product is perfect for pet owners who want to be prepared for any situation while hiking, traveling, or engaging in outdoor activities with their dogs. The Wolfpack collar is a game-changer for pet safety and preparedness. In this detailed unboxing video, we explore the LifePod, a weatherproof and lockable storage solution designed for travelers and adventurers. Weatherproof protection. The LifePod features a rugged, weatherproof exterior that protects your valuables from rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring your items remain safe. Lockable security. Equipped with a high-security lock system, the LifePod offers peace of mind for your personal belongings. The lock mechanism is designed for both strength and ease of use. Customizable interior. Inside the LifePod, you'll find customizable foam inserts that can be arranged to fit a variety of items, from electronics to delicate gear. Versatile use, ideal for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a secure way to transport or store their valuables. The LifePod is perfect for protecting your gear on trips or during outdoor adventures. The LifePod provides a reliable and secure storage solution for all your travel needs. Meet the SyncPen 4, the latest in Smartpen technology from NEWYES. This advanced pen captures your handwriting with high precision and syncs it to your digital devices. Advanced writing technology. The SyncPen 4 uses a unique microdot pattern and an infrared camera to accurately track your writing movements. This technology ensures that every stroke is captured in detail. Cloud synchronization. Your notes and drawings are automatically synced to the NEWYES app, where you can organize, search, and share your content. The app also provides cloud storage, so your notes are safe and accessible from anywhere. Reusable design. The SyncPen 4 is an eco-friendly option for note-taking, offering a sustainable solution that eliminates the need for paper. The pen is designed for long-term use and features a rechargeable battery. Versatile applications. Perfect for students, professionals, and artists, this smart pen can be used for note-taking, sketching, and more. It's a powerful tool for anyone who values innovation in their creative or academic pursuits. The SyncPen 4 is a must-have for anyone looking to combine traditional writing with modern technology. Discover CAZE, a versatile solution designed to meet the needs of creative professionals. CAZE offers a comprehensive set of features for data security, organization, and fast transfer. Secure storage. CAZE provides advanced encryption and backup options to protect your creative content. It ensures that your data is secure from loss, theft, or unauthorized access. Organized workflow. The system includes tools for managing and organizing your files, making it easier to keep track of your creative projects. Features include file tagging, sorting, and metadata management. High-speed transfer. With lightning-fast transfer speeds, CAZE allows you to move your data quickly and efficiently. It supports a range of file types and sizes, making it suitable for all kinds of creative work. Creative Suite. CAZE offers additional tools and features for creative professionals, including media management, content review, and collaborative work options. CAZE is ideal for photographers, videographers, and other content creators who need a reliable, all-in-one solution for their data management needs. The ROLA PetPal by Enabot is a cutting-edge device designed to keep you connected with your pets even when you're not at home. High-definition cameras. The PetPal is equipped with high-definition cameras that offer a clear view of your pets. You can check in on them at any time and see exactly what they're up to. AI-enabled features: the device uses AI technology to recognize and track your pet's movements. It also offers real-time alerts and notifications for activities such as playtime or feeding. Interactive toys and treat dispenser: the PetPal includes interactive toys and a treat dispenser, allowing you to play with your pets remotely and reward them for good behavior. Cloud Plus subscription services: with a Cloud Plus subscription, you get access to 24/7 cloud playback of your pet's activities and smart alerts for important events. Whole house mobility: the device is designed to move around your home, offering a wide range of coverage to keep an eye on all your pets. The ROLA PetPal ensures you can stay connected and engaged with your furry friends, no matter where you are. Explore the future of transportation with the Pegasus flying car, a real and revolutionary vehicle that combines the convenience of a car with the excitement of flying. Vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL). The Pegasus flying car features advanced VTOL technology, allowing it to take off and land vertically. This eliminates the need for traditional runways and opens up new possibilities for urban and rural travel. Practical design: the vehicle is designed to be parked in standard car parks and garages, making it a practical choice for everyday use. It offers a seamless transition between driving and flying. Proven technology: the Pegasus flying car is not just a concept, it has a successful track record in international markets and is now looking to expand its presence through a WeFunder campaign. Future mobility: this flying car represents a major leap forward in personal transportation, offering a glimpse into the future of urban mobility and traffic management. The Pegasus flying car is a bold and exciting vision of what transportation could look like in the near future. Introducing the Cmax shelter, an innovative foldable housing solution designed for complex emergencies and humanitarian efforts. Foldable design: the Cmax shelter features a unique foldable design that allows for quick and easy deployment. It can be set up in a matter of minutes, making it ideal for emergency situations. Versatile applications: this shelter is suitable for a range of applications, including emergency housing, disaster relief, and temporary shelters for humanitarian missions. Advanced materials: constructed from high-strength, weather-resistant materials, the Cmax shelter is built to withstand harsh conditions while providing a safe and comfortable space. Innovative features: the shelter includes features such as built-in ventilation, easy-to-clean surfaces, and space-efficient design elements to enhance usability and comfort. Humanitarian impact: the Cmax shelter is a groundbreaking solution that addresses the need for flexible, effective emergency housing solutions in crisis situations. The Cmax shelter is a revolutionary product that represents a significant advancement in the field of emergency response and temporary housing. And there you have it, top 10 high-tech products that are truly mind-blowing. From solar-powered EV chargers to the future of flying cars, these innovations represent the cutting edge of technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our latest content.